Auguste Comte's theory of positivism, embracing empirical science and understanding society. Auguste Comte, a prominent French philosopher and sociologist, is considered the founder of the theory of positivism. Comte's positivism sought to establish a systematic and scientific approach to understanding society, emphasizing empirical observation and the application of scientific principles. In this article, we will explore Auguste Comte's theory of positivism, its key tenets, and its enduring impact on the social sciences. The foundation of positivism. Comte believed that human knowledge progressed through distinct stages, and positivism represented the most advanced stage. Positivism aimed to overcome the limitations of metaphysical and religious explanations by embracing scientific inquiry as the primary method for understanding the social world. 3 stages of development. Comte outlined 3 stages of societal development, each characterized by different modes of thought and knowledge. Theological stage. In the early stages of human history, society relied on supernatural and religious explanations to understand the world. Theological explanations were rooted in divine beings and supernatural forces. Metaphysical stage. The metaphysical stage followed the theological stage and was marked by the rise of abstract and speculative reasoning. It sought to explain phenomena through philosophical concepts and abstract principles. Positive stage. According to Comte, the positive stage was the highest stage of societal development. It advocated for the application of scientific principles and empirical observation to understand the natural and social world. Positivism aimed to uncover regularities and laws governing human behavior and society. Scientific method and empirical observation. Positivism emphasized the use of the scientific method in studying society. Comte argued that social phenomena could be studied through systematic observation, data collection, and the formulation of general laws. The scientific method involved rigorous data collection, experimentation, and the verification of hypotheses. Hierarchy of sciences. Comte proposed a hierarchy of sciences, with sociology occupying the highest position. Sociology, in his view, was the queen of the sciences and provided a comprehensive understanding of social phenomena. It integrated knowledge from various disciplines, such as biology, psychology, and economics, to examine the social world. Social order and social statics, dynamics. Comte also introduced the concepts of social statics and social dynamics. Social statics focused on the study of the structures and institutions that maintain social order and stability. Social dynamics, on the other hand, examined the processes of social change and transformation. Practical applications of positivism. Comte believed that positivism had practical implications for society. He envisioned positivist principles guiding social policy, governance, and education. By basing decisions on scientific knowledge and empirical evidence, societies could progress and improve human well-being. Legacy of positivism. Auguste Comte's theory of positivism left a lasting impact on the development of the social sciences. His emphasis on empirical observation and the scientific method shaped the foundation of sociology as a distinct discipline. Positivism influenced subsequent thinkers and movements, such as Émile Durkheim's structural functionalism, which focused on understanding social phenomena through objective analysis. Conclusion. Auguste Comte's theory of positivism revolutionized the study of society, advocating for a scientific approach rooted in empirical observation and the application of the scientific method.